Hi, welcome back, and let's learn that how to do vertical analysis in Tally and how Tally helps us to do it. Vertical analysis. And if you are in doubt that vertical is good or horizontal is good, let me tell you that nothing is superior from anyone and nothing is inferior from anyone. Hence, following this rule, it totally depends on company's policy that it wants to analyze vertical or it wants to analyze with base years. Okay, suppose it wants to maintain a fixed percentage of cash out of total assets, hence it will always be following horizontal, that is sorry, it will always be following vertical. And suppose it wants to compare the whole sum balance sheet with the whole previous year, it will be following horizontal. So it totally depends on the company to company. And yeah, let's go right here, that is open the balance sheet and how to do it, how to make it vertical. Alt A, okay, Alt F12, yes to vertical, and yes to percentage. Okay, and Alt plus C, add previous years. Okay, let's try to do it, if we can do it or not. Yeah, Alt F12 or just F12, yes. Say yes to vertical balance sheet and say yes to percentage. Rest everything let it be as it is. Alt plus C to add year 1418, 1418, 231, 319. Also don't forget to change the year before you add the new column, because then it will be a trouble and you will have to escape. Hence 31st March 20 as at 31st March 19. Okay, you can expand it if you want, but I don't want to because it will not show me the expand version right here and it will not show me the percentages. If you want to see individual percentages, you can obviously export it and then create your own percentages. Obviously Tally have that feature, but that will be a boring one. Okay, so ignore that. Now right here the base that is taken is capital plus, what do you say, capital plus liability instead of individual capital or individual liability. Hence this is the base, and here this total is the base. Okay, that is, this total is the base. Okay, accepted. So 80% of total sources of fund, that is capital plus liability, is capital account. Hence you can imagine that it is a privately held company. You can audit it after analyzing, enter, and you can see right here equity share capital of 2 crore 65 lakhs 80,000. Okay, so it looks like a privately held company. It has changed from 82% to 78%. Okay, loans and liabilities are 13%, that is 14% of the total liabilities, and equities, that is outsides fund. Now it totally depends on companies that if you want 50% of amount here or 13%. Okay, that we can't say, you have to look for yourself and in your own company. 2.24%. Okay, okay, let's say this figure right here, that is 34% of fixed asset are in the balance sheet of Beyond Milky Way of total asset. Okay, and current asset is 60%. There is no much change here. Okay, you can obviously see me removing all this. Okay, so this is how you analyze vertically in Tally, and yeah, you can spend your own time take your own time. If you want individual percentage, feel free to export it. Okay, let's go to profit and loss account, enter it. How to do it? F12, yes for vertical, yes for percentage. The rest everything same. Alt C to add column, 1 for 19. You can add as many years as you want, but we are we don't have anything else right here. That is why. Yeah, so right here you can see the base is always sales. So profit and loss account, the base is always sales because everything right here is happening for sales only. Okay. Now there is no percentage right here in the previous year. Why? Because there is no base. There is no base, hence they don't have anything to calculate the percentages on. Cost of sales, that is 70% is expended on 70% out of 100% is spent on this purchase less stock. Okay, this is the cost of sales. Okay, indirect income and indirect expenses, 34% is okay, 30% is gross profit, 5% is net profit, and 34% is indirect expenses of total sales. That is, suppose you have depreciation in it, depreciation divided by sales, that is how much amount of depreciation is utilized to make the sales. Okay, that is another way to crack it. And by this a company can take its own decision, that is if it wants this much expenses or not. If it wants to cut it, it can surely audit and make such policies. And if its net profit amount is 5%, almost every company has decided their net profit figures. Okay, so if they want to maintain a balance of 5% every year, then it is okay. If not, suppose if it's 8%, then they will look and they'll charge indirect expenses. Okay, that is, they will manipulate it, but that's not our point right here. So yeah, this is how you vertically analyze the balance sheets in balance sheets and P&L in Tally. Hence I'll encourage you to spend your own time. And yeah, the next in line is financial ratios, and financial ratios are one of the most strongest. Well, not let's not say strongest. Okay, let me see you in the next lecture. Good day.